Hello everyone, today, I'll be talking about use of programming languages in math. Let's get started. Programming is an integral part of applied mathematics, where it's used for numerical analysis, solving mathematical problems, and implementing mathematical models. We can try some basic math implementations using Python. In mathematics, we use variables to represent numbers. Similarly, in programming, we can use variables to store and manipulate numbers. Also, we can perform operations on these variables in Python. Let's add some variables together. We'll create two variables and assign them some values. To add them, we'll create another variable called result, and its value will be the expression a plus b, which would result the sum value, i.e. 8. This doesn't stop here. Programming and maths are well integrated that we could even plot graphs in Python. Matplotlib is a library in Python that helps us create visualizations, charts. Using Matplotlib, we can implement a bar chart over two variables and assign them values. We could even label the values and give a title. And voila, create an amazing illustration, much easier to understand than plain math. Here is a little peek through in advanced implementations. These are all Python libraries. For extracting, transforming, or loading data, we use pandas, beautiful soup, and intake. For data exploration, we use Seaborn and Matplotlib. For data evaluation, we use Numpy and TensorFlow. For data modeling, we use scikit-learn, SciPy, and SMStats model. And for data presentation, we use Matplotlib, Holoviz, and VisPy.